This is the Mefirt Power Tool Organizer. What I got this one is very easy to set up, and all the connections, all with screws, and they come with all the hardware and the screwdriver. It's very easy to install. It comes with the expansion screw, and the screw is long and strong. And we're going to make a mark. Just make sure it's level. You see that hole is actually bigger, so you can put the screw in and then put it on. So I just put another 2 screws in it. Alright, you see just a few minutes, it's right here. And actually it's very strong, and if you don't need it in this place, you can take this one out. Simple. For the material, it's made of all metal, and the metal itself is thick. It's pretty good, like holding the weight. Even though it looks small, it doesn't take a lot of space, but it can do a lot. I've been using this for 2 weeks now, and everything works perfect. This is 3 hooks. You can hook a lot of stuff. Like here are the tape and the tools. Anything with a hole, you can use it. Things that it come with the hole, so you just put it on. Here is Power Tool Organizer, so I can put all my drills inside. I'd say that this is the heaviest drill, but no problem. This is like a 4 shelf. I can still put more, and this is the battery on all the small stuffs. This is the voltage detector. Because they have the hook, I just put it right here. So you know it won't fall, and just stay here. When I need it, I take it out. And this tape as well, so come with the hook. It's very easy. And here is the screwdriver slot. I don't have a lot of screwdrivers, and the hole is from the small to big, so you can actually put the whole series of the screwdrivers on here. And the other side, you see total 8 pair of pliers. I think it's a pretty good design. Here is actually the hammer slot. You see the hammer is right here, and you turn it, you take it out. And when you don't need it, just like this. If you don't want to use the hooks like this part or that part, that's removable. You can take them out. And also each shelf, they're anchored by 4 screws, so you can remove them. For example, if you got some taller stuff you don't want to this shelf, you can remove it. In my opinion, this is a very compact and versatile organizer, and you can put it on anywhere, like in your shop and in your garage, and put your most commonly used tools. You just grab and go. I think this is a very good organizer. Hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.